All right, on question number 6, it says Erin wants to carpet the floor of her closet. A floor plan of the closet is shown. How long is this side right here?
10 feet.
10 feet. How long is this side right here?
4 feet.
How long is this side right here?
10 feet. 10 feet.
10. How long is this side on the dotted part?
7. 4 feet.
7.
On the dotted part. 4. Now, wait. How long is this side that I have highlighted? 7. What's the height of this triangle? 7. 7 feet. Okay. How much carpet does Erin need? What do I need to do?
You need to do your base times height and do all your formulas.
I need my formulas. Thank you. What formulas do I need?
Base times height.
And?
Height.
A equals R squared times.
There's no radius here. There's no circle for this guy.
Base times height divided by 2.
Base times height divided by 2. So, do you need to leave the room?
I'll get a copy.
Oh, okay. Area equals base times height. That's for your what shape? Whoops.
That's for your triangle.
Rectangle. And then for the triangle, who do I need?
7.
Base times height divided by 2.
Thank you. You're ahead of yourself. All right, base and height of my rectangle.
10 and 40.
10 times 4.
40.
40. Bam. Base and height of my triangle.
7 and 6.
Good. 7 and 6 divided by 2. 42 divided by 2. 21. What do I do? What do I get?
61.
Excellent. 61 feet squared. Now it says the carpet Erin has chosen costs $2.50 per square foot. These are my square feet. $2.50 per that. How much will it cost to carpet her floor? $2.50 times 61. What's 1 times 25? And I have 6 quarters. How much money is that? $1.50. 5 plus 0. 5 plus 2 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 1 plus 0. Where do I put my decimal? Which 2 and 5?
The 15.
And it's money, so what do I need to do? And
a change.
what do I need to do to my change?
Need to make
A 0. I need 2 decimal places. Okay? That's how you do that one. So $152.50.